Prosecutors played two cell phone videos of police arresting Gray. The raw footage, coupled with Gray's loud screams, proved to be too much. Prosecutors showed this cell phone video of police arresting Freddie Gray on Pressbury Street April 12th. They played this cell phone video next, of police shackling Gray about a block away at Mount and Baker Streets. The jury watched in rapt attention. Some had stern looks on their faces. They could hear Gray screaming. When the clips ended, Freddie Gray's mom broke the silence of the courtroom with her loud sobbing. She and other family members left abruptly, and the judge called a recess. Prosecution witness Brandon Ross took those cell phone videos. He says he's known Gray more than 10 years. Ross told the jury he and Gray were on their way to meet a community guy to do some carpentry work the morning police arrested his friend. This is the police van seen in those videos, the one in which Gray got hurt inside and died a week later. The wagon is being towed to a parking garage at the courthouse where the jury got a first-hand look at it. Another prosecution witness, a city DGS employee who purchased the van, says there are 2 cameras inside to watch prisoners. However, they aren't designed to record. The van is a key piece of evidence in the case, one that gives the jury perspective.
And so what we're looking at now is giving the jury familiarity with the place where the prosecution alleges Freddie Gray suffered his injuries.
Prosecutors contend the fact Porter failed to seatbelt Gray and get him medical attention when asked contributed to his death. The injury to his spine may have been caused by a sudden stop. The state called a former police academy instructor who trained Porter on the police policy regarding buckling detainees. However, under cross-examination, the defense got agent John Bilheimer to say that the primary responsibility for doing that lies with the van driver. Prosecutors then got him to explain that the van driver isn't the only one responsible.
I was struck by how unusual it is that the witnesses were giving the answers the defense lawyers wanted at the initial question.
The defense also during cross-examination revealed that department emails alerting officers of a policy change in seatbelts, in their words, is buried in an 80-page document. Porter never saw it. The trial also has moments of levity. The jury passed a note to the judge complaining that the courtroom was too cold. Several minutes go by and all of a sudden everyone hears banging coming from the back of the courtroom. And the judge quipped, "They're fixing the heater." The judge also pointed out that the jury has already gone through 2 bowls of candy. Reporting live from Courthouse East, David Collins, WVAL TV 11 News.
And our coverage of the Officer Porter trial continues online and on your mobile device. You can read court documents and follow updates from the courtroom right on your smartphone or tablet.